lads. Morning, lads. It's a good day. We've started off renewing the insurance, and it's also better because 20k stickers are now available on the website. www.lockstore.co.uk. And everyone always asks me, this is probably one of the most asked questions I get, is who are you insured with? How do you get insured? How do you get insured in Impreza? How old are you? Declare your mods. The answer to that question is yes, of course I declare on mods. I'm 22 and I've got a Subaru Impreza, which is one of the most highest insured cars, and I'm paying not that much. And the reason I don't pay that much is because I go modified car insurance. And mainly age and flux. When I first got the ST, I was like, oh my god, compare the market sites giving me like 2,000, 3,000, like, oh no. And then someone told me about 3 companies. I first rang someone called Greenlight. I rang them. They give me a good price. Then I rang Age and Flux, and the first thing Age and Flux had been quoted somewhere else. So that showed me that, you know, they're open for negotiation. They give me a quote for just over £1,000 on my Fiesta ST when I was getting 3,000 in comparison on sites, and I ended up owning a Subaru Impreza at 22 and being so happy with the insurance prices. So shout out to Agent Flux. If you are struggling with insurance, especially got a modified car, go give them a ring. And since I'm so happy with the price of the insurance, we're going to order the fuel pump, which means we can get to remapping very soon, lads. PayPal is getting on my absolute nerves at the minute. Like, every time I try and send some money, it just keeps saying, oh, things don't seem to be working anymore. Well, you're the biggest fucking PayPal. Wait, what?
What did you say?
The biggest fucking money sender in the world. Fix your shit, lads. Give me that Walbro fuel pump, yo. But it's worth the power. Thank you, Scooby World. Hopefully it comes quick. I get done before Fast Show. Maybe. Now I wish I was off work today, because you guys deserve a video, because it's been about 2 days now at the time of me recording this. I've not actually done a video.
What did you say?
That means you're going to be getting... Now, I have got a video... I can't even finish my own sentences. And that means you're not going to be getting a video for like 3 or 4 days, which is a bit grim. So this is just... I've got a video, but I can't still fucking finish my sentences. So I have got a video planned for tomorrow, which is going to be a really good video. It's a brutally honest review. It's going to be nuts. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. But, you know, I'm alright. I'm alright, lads. But I'm really busy Friday evening, I'm really busy Saturday, so I'm not sure if I'd be able to get it on. I'm going to try my hardest. But today, I'm just going to do a little bit of a vlog sort of thing, just so you can have something to listen, something to watch to, and so you can actually get a decent sort of video. Now, we are going to Supercars of the Northwest on Sunday. I've not actually said this. I think I may have said it on my Snapchat, but it was like a last minute thing. I only realised I was going about 2 or 3 days ago. So if you are going to I can't remember what it's called, Northwest Supercars of the North, somewhere like that in Southport. If you are going, I'll see you there. But the car's so dirty again. I only cleaned it the other day. This is why I need some mud flaps, because all this is just from the wheels. Now, if you're sat there and you're one of those people that can't decide what brake pads you want to go for, you really want to decide how much you want them well to brake the car.
What did you say?
And how often do you want to be cleaning the wheels? Now, on my Megane, I had the PBS, Performance Brake Solutions brake pads on the back, and I had some Brembo ones on the front. And the back ones I had to clean literally every other fucking day. It's the same sort of story with the Subaru. So we got Brembos on the front. You know, the wheel's still pretty clean. We've got fucking EBC yellow stuff on the back. Look at that, man. Look at all that brake shit. Which is why now I always go for normal pads. I don't track it. I don't track the car. I'd rather it just stay clean. Speaking of cleaning, on my last video, which not that many of you watched, well, I was waiting for it. Nobody wants to see someone clean a fucking car, but I thought it was a really funny video. I put loads of memes in to make it interesting, and they normally get around 20,000 views, and that time I only got 14,000. So, you know, if you didn't see the memes, it's your own fault. I thought it was a very, very funny video. Anyway, and you missed out because I was doing a free giveaway of snow foam, and I've left it down to Blue Goblin to choose the winner. I've just messaged him saying, choose a winner. And he's gonna get back to me, but I'm gonna do like sort of editing thing here because he's not messaged me yet, but I've still messaged him and I really want to just end this video. But the winner is I didn't even stop. And as I'm drying my hair, lads, Blue Goblin has just sent me the winner of the snow foam, which I forgot his name, give me one sec, which is Jacob H 1994. I'll put your Instagram on the side there, mate. You have won. I'm sure Blue Goblin has messaged you. I'm going to tell him to message you anyway. You have won the snow foam. If you did message Blue Goblin, you didn't win and you didn't actually win, there's another chance to win a free snow foam. If you go over to my mate's Instagram, which is a guy with a purple Astra, he's doing the same thing as well. He's doing a giveaway. I'm pretty sure he's had to just like his picture with the snow foam. I'll go and double check now. Yeah, if you go over to flipped_Astra, that is Daniel and he'll be putting a picture up of the snow foam. All you need to do is just like that picture and you instantly get added into the giveaway. I've got a big update. Me and Blue Goblin have actually teamed up and all of his products are for sale on my website now. So if you want to go and have a look through the website, if you want to actually go and get some of his products, go on lockwoodstore.co.uk, my website, and you can get all of his products. But right now, lads, I am going to go and have to get ready for work. But the guy with the brutally honest review, well, for the brutally honest review, he's coming round tonight because there's a lot of things on the car that need explaining, and he's not got time to do it tomorrow morning, so I'm just going to get in the car before he goes to work and bring him back a couple hours later. So he's coming round tonight and he's going to explain everything that's on the car. So apparently there's a lot. Apparently it's injected with some shit, and I might do some sneak previews and see if you can guess the car. But as for now, lads, I'll see you in a few hours. Stuff in my bag from a naked butler. Gemma's hen do. Oh, we've got a willy straw. Lovely jubbly, just what I wanted. What else have we fucking got in here? Oh, we've got Gemma's hen. Some sweets. Lovely. I know it's dark, lads, but the guy I'm reviewing tomorrow is here. Well, he says he thinks he's here, but he's definitely not here. I might give you a few sneaky peekies. Scare me to death then, it's my niece knocking on the door. Scare me to death. Let's try and see where he is. I think there's a up there, I think that's it. Let me ring him. I'm not sure what car it is, lads. I'm not sure you. That's all the clue you get in. It actually looks like a Fiesta here, like a Mark 6 Fiesta. Do you know, like with the fins, because this design here, that's exactly what the Fiesta's had. And the fins, it actually looks like a Fiesta. It's not a Mark 6 Fiesta, lads. It's not a Mark 6. Or is it a turbocharged one? Don't know. Fucking hell. I said to him, don't go faster. He's not going fast, and he's just literally gone over a few things about the car because I want my reaction to be tomorrow, and it is going to be a reaction because that thing is fucking nuts, lads. It's going to be a fun video. It's going to be a fun video. But this is the end of the video here, lads. I hope you still enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit short, but it's the best I could do with the time that I had. Hope you still enjoy it, lads. Can't wait for tomorrow. You're all going to enjoy it. I actually love doing the brutally honest reviews, and the last video did pretty well as well. And it seems like all you lot love it. I am going to be implementing a lot of your ideas what I got in the comments last time. I know a lot of you had a lot of improvements that the videos could make, and I'm definitely going to be implementing them all. Can't even speak, lads. If I don't see you before Sunday, and when I say if I don't see you, it means if I don't put a video up before Sunday, I will see you all at Northwest Supercars of the Northwest in Southport. Love you all, lads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.